everyone, welcome to Heal Charm Shine. Today we are doing our which number is this? Our 17th video. Wow. We are doing our 17th video of Future Spouse Manifestation series. This video is when will you get pregnant post marriage. So this is for those who are really interested in getting pregnant after right after the marriage or whatever timeline you want for you. We are going to see that. We are going to find out when will you get married after marriage, when will you get pregnant after marriage. I'm really sorry about this. And this might not suit everyone. You know how the tarot timeline videos work, so take it if it resonates with you. If it doesn't, let it go. You can select any pile you want. I have given you the option of aces here today because Ace of Cups is a soulmate card, so the other aces I've put here as a choice option. So pick your pile and I'll see you in your pile, and I'll explain you how the tarot timeline works in the pile, if because some of you, very few, I'm sure very few of you don't know how this works. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy the reading. I'll see you in your pile. Welcome pile number 1. Today we are doing a tarot timeline video. This is the 17th video of our future spouse manifestation series, and the fourth tarot timeline video in this series. So we are going to look for soulmate cards. You already knows how the soulmate cards, how this few tarot timeline videos work. So let's find out, when are you getting pregnant after you get married? That is what we are going to look for. Oh wow, look at this, right away you got two soulmate cards jumping. So right away after you get married, right away within first 2-3 months you're getting pregnant. First 2-3 months you're getting pregnant. Within 1-3 months, for some it might be 1 month, for some it might be 2 months, for some it might be 3 months, you're getting pregnant after this wedding, after this marriage. Maybe during your honeymoon you'll conceive. Maybe you will find out later on, but in the honeymoon you will conceive. So for few of you it is happening right away after marriage. Maybe during honeymoon, in the first 3 months of your marriage you're getting pregnant. I'm going to go for another timeline for those who feel that no, you don't want a child right away. No, this is not a soulmate, sorry, but this is. So yes, 3 to 6 months you're getting pregnant after marriage. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So within 3 months, and for those who feel that no, not right away, maybe 6 months. Now you are your own, you have this willpower. If you want to keep a gap, if you don't want a child right away, you have the willpower for it. You know what to do. This is not something which you need to ask anybody's opinion on. You can take your own decision. You and your spouse can take this decision when you want the child. But for those who want the kid right away, who wants the baby right away, who wants to try right away, for those who cannot wait to have a child, for them it is happening within 3 to 6 months. That is a timeline, and congratulations, it's a beautiful timeline. And these cards just jumped. The Sun, the Magician, they just jumped out. So yes, it is happening for you right away. Maybe many of you are going to conceive during the honeymoon itself. Beautiful. Now let me see for some guidance. It's a nice short timeline. Let's see the guidance. Earlier when I did the tarot timeline videos, they were so long. Do check out, if you are already married, do check out the when will I conceive tarot timeline video, which is already on my channel. You can check it out, when will I conceive, if you are already married. If this is not related to this series, for those who are already married and they stumbled upon this video, do check out when will I conceive. That will help you. And this timeline might be for you also, 3 to 6 months. So it all depends on your willpower, on what you want to accept, what you want to call in, what you want to manifest. It all depends on you. But whoever is not a newly married one and wants to know when will they conceive, can check out when will I conceive tarot timeline, which is on my channel. I will also give a link for you guys. Mirror guardian, take time to reflect. And fire guardian, wow, two guardians over here. So yes, it's going to be a very fiery honeymoon. Maybe more, many of you are going to conceive during that time. And the mirror guardian tells you to take time to reflect. Right now you need to reflect on your energies, need to understand what you need to focus on. These cards are repeating, these cards are repeating. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Oh god, I had to pick that card. So these cards are repeating, these energies are repeating. Many people are not giving themselves that time to reflect, to understand what they truly desire, what they truly want. They are still stuck in the past, or they are still stuck in past energies, or avoiding, ignoring something important. For them, mirror guardian is the message which is repeating. Do take time to reflect, do take time to go within, understand, meditate, try to find what your soul truly desires, and ignite your passion is for those who are not focusing on their passion or not focusing on their career, not taking time for themselves, for their creativity. Ignite your passion is for those. Now let's see what more information comes for you, more guidance comes for you. Okay, wow, again a very fiery card, and infinite abundance. Beautiful, look at this. So obstacles are being removed. Yes, so any obstacles which you may be creating on by yourself, by self-sabotaging, by not focusing on what is important. So whatever obstacles are, Lord Ganesha is here to help you. Lord Ganesh will help you in that situation. Infinite abundance, obstacles are being removed, spiritual support and connections are increasing. Beautiful. And ascension, move into Serapis Bay, ascension, move into your true self, rise above the darkness, the light is here. Yes, when you go within, you will understand your true potential, you will understand what you are passionate about, what you want to achieve, what you want to do when you go within. So move into your true self, rise above the darkness, the light is here. And once you focus on light, once you focus on the fire inside you, once you focus on the sun, there is infinite abundance. Infinite abundance. So your passion, your creativity, this marriage, this pregnancy, this is going to ignite something in you. This is going to bring that artist out, that writer out, that singer out. This is going to help you connect with your passion, and it's going to fill your life with abundance. This child, this pregnancy is going to fill your life with a lot of abundance, going to fill your life with a lot of blessings. Lord Ganesha is here to bless you, to bring a lot of abundance and happiness in your life. Now let's see what this is unicorns, what the unicorns have to say. Oh, why are all the cards just flying away? I'll pick that one up also. Wishes. So be careful what you wish for. Once you understand what is within your soul, once you understand what your soul wants, then you know what you want to wish for. Oh God. And this one also flew away. Once you go within, understand what your soul desires, what you're passionate about, then you know what you want to wish for. So be careful what you wish for. For that you need to understand what your soul wants. Number 3 might be important, number 5 might be important. Be careful what you wish for, as the wish will be granted. Yes, the universe, the divine is saying yes. So be careful what you wish for. Prompting, call a friend today. Maybe a friend will help you. A friend, a pet, maybe a pet, because we can see pets over here. Maybe the animal spirits, maybe unicorns, maybe a friend, maybe an ancestor spirit, maybe a guide. Someone will help you realize what you truly want. Might even tell you that why don't you write, or why don't you try this on a professional level, or why don't you take some classes. So someone might say this in passing, and it will help you. So connect with your friends, connect with your loved ones, because they will help you understand what you truly need to do, what you truly need to bring in desire. Number 2 might be important, number 4 might be important. 3 to 6 months was your timeline. We have 3 again over here. Honesty will ultimately be rewarded. So yes, you will become honest once you reflect, once you understand. Honesty is not that you are lying to someone. Honesty is that you don't know what you want. You don't know what you need to wish for. So for that you need to go within and it will be rewarded. These are the messages. I hope you enjoy the reading, and I hope you are enjoying the series. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in my next one. Welcome pile number 2. Today we are seeing when will you get pregnant. So this is after you get married. For those who are already married and they want to know when you will conceive, they are not actually here for the future spouse manifestation video, but just to know when they will conceive. For those, please check out when will I conceive tarot timeline video. It is on my channel. I will give a link also in this video in the description box, so that you can check it out. And for those who are following the future spouse manifestation series, let's see when you will conceive after you get married. So let's see the timeline first. You already know how we reach the timeline. These are the soulmate cards. So we are going to find one of these cards. We are going to shuffle the tarot deck, and when we reach them we will get your timeline. So when will you conceive after the marriage? For few of you it might be right away, for some of you it might take time. It all depends on you, what you want, what kind of, if you want to keep some gap between the wedding and the pregnancy, or you want it right away. It all depends on you and on everything else in the nature. So you do not have to panic over the timeline. Please do not panic over the timeline. Wheel of Fortune, this is a soulmate card. So 6 months. So this is a repeating timeline today. I think even, yeah, the first pile also got 6 months. They got 3 also and they got 6 also. So first month got the same timeline. So 6 months. So within 6 months you are going to get pregnant after your marriage. So 6 months is your timeline, which is pretty cool, which is not a bad timeline at all. 6 months is something which where you are settled in your marriage very well, and now you can go for this additional responsibility. So 6 months is your timeline. Now let's see what the universe or what the oracles have to say. I'm making the tarot timeline video short because my other videos, they become so lengthy that sometimes people do not enjoy long videos. So for them I'm making it short. We have the Wise One, grow within your current situation, and we have the Lord, take charge with authority. So I do see someone very powerful, like an emperor. I do see someone who is doing well in their career, well in their job. I do see that you're taking charge. You want to get pregnant right away. Maybe that is what is happening over here. That is what we can see, taking charge with authority. And I do see your ancestors helping you, your ancestors blessing you. As I've said earlier, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Ancestors are very much interested in who you're marrying and your next generation. So your ancestors will be involved in blessing you when you're conceiving, when you're getting married, and even when in your pregnancy days. Your ancestors will be around. They will bless you because they are very much interested in the next generation, as they were interested in you as well. So Wise One, grow within your current situation. I do see your ancestor spirits. I do see your elders, your ancestors blessing you. I do see someone really being wise, someone taking all the necessary steps, taking charge. So maybe asking doctors, maybe following suggestions, being very health conscious, like doing everything you can do to conceive, doing everything you can do to get pregnant. So this is what is happening. So someone wants to get pregnant right away after marriage. Someone cannot wait to have a kid. So that is what I feel over here. That might be someone's energy. Let's see what more messages comes for you in the Keepers of Light, and then we will go for unicorn messages as well. Life force. Yes, this is going to happen right away. The Serenus is the life force. This is the God, the divine, which was given the task to create life on earth. So this is the life force. So yes, life is going to get created with very fast after this marriage, within 6 months. This can be within 6 weeks also. This can be during your honeymoon period also. So express your divine passion. Sensual and sexual powers are increased. Obviously your sexual powers are going to be at a heightened state. Your sensual powers are also going to be in a heightened state. You're going to be newly married this is going to be a very nice, very passionate honeymoon period. and during this honeymoon period you are going to conceive. So yes, this is going to happen right away. This is another sign. This does look like the Emperor again. So nice synchronicities. And forgiveness. So someone needs to forgive. Someone is still holding on to the past. Why? I don't know. There is so much blessings coming to it in your future. Then why hold on to the painful past? Let go the past. So someone needs to forgive. Father healing is possible at this time. The Lord also here is the father figure. So someone might be upset or angry about a father figure, or your own father or a grandparent, and they need to release, they need to forgive, they need to let go. They cannot hold on to that pain and expect blessings in the future. No, that is not how it works. You have to release this. You have to empty the cup so that the cup is refilled with new energy, with new life. So you are on the path of light, love and forgiveness. Master Jesus is guiding you for that, and father healing is possible at this time. Let's see what the unicorns also have to say. As I said, I'm keeping the readings short, the tarot timeline readings short, because my other readings go really long. You already got the timeline, which was six months. The silence. Be still. All the answers lie in the silence. So whoever does not know what you need to forgive, what you need to let go, be still, silent. So meditation will help you understand what you need to let go, what you need to forgive, who you need to forgive. You need to forgive yourself also. So that is what I can see over here, the silence. So your unicorns are helping you. Magic. There is magic around you, so expect excitement and joy. Yes, your honeymoon period, yes, your initial days of marriage, yes, the first 6 months are going to be filled with magic, are going to be filled with excitement, with joy, with lot of sensual energy, with lot of sexual energy. So yes, it's going to be a very passionate, a very happy period, the first 6 months of your marriage. So I'm not going to say that it's going to stop in 6 months. I'm saying that this period, which I can see right now, is going to be filled with a lot of magic, lot of excitement, lot of joy, and you're going to get pregnant during this time also. Then it's going to change into something different, something caring, something comforting, something where this crazy passion, excitement, joy turns into care, comfort, nurture. So it's going to do that, it's going to develop, it's going to evolve. Let's get one more card for you. Archangel Michael. Yes, use the sword of truth to help the world. So you can pray to Archangel Michael to bring this energy, to bring this to conceive, to help you conceive earlier if you really want to conceive earlier. So you can pray to Archangel Michael also to support you, to protect you. And even when you are having difficulty forgiving, you can ask Archangel Michael for guidance, for protection, for support, for courage. You need courage to forgive as well. So this was your message. I hope you enjoyed the reading. I'll see you in my next one, and I hope you're enjoying the entire series as well. Welcome, pile number 3. Today we are seeing when will you get pregnant after your marriage. So this is for those who are following the future spouse manifestation series. For those who are already married and they just want to know when will you conceive, when will you get pregnant. For those, I already have another timeline video which is when will I conceive. That is the timeline video. I'll give a link for you. You do check it out, and you can check this one also because there is a timeline over here also. So this is how we are going to see. We are going to follow the tarot cards and see when we can find a soulmate card, and that will be your timeline. It's going to be in months. For few of you, it can be also weeks. It all depends on your energy, your willpower. So let's see what the timeline comes up. When will you get pregnant after marriage? This is a tarot timeline video. This is the 17th video in your future spouse manifestation series, and this is the 4th tarot timeline video. So yes, right away you're getting pregnant right away. The Magician is a soulmate card. So in the initial days, in the honeymoon period, you're getting pregnant. I'll go for another timeline if this is not what you want. If you want to have a gap, let's see when the other timeline is. For some of you, right away in the honeymoon period, and for others, the other timeline is also very close. It is 4 months. So for others, this is also no, sorry, this is a success card. I'm sorry. No, not 4 months. Only the right away we got. The within the first month or within the honeymoon period we got. Let's see another timeline. We are going for a soulmate cards, not the success card. Both these cards are success cards. That's why I got confused. Yes, this is a soulmate card. So let's see another timeline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 months. 8 months is another timeline. So within, immediately, right away, the first month, during your honeymoon, you will conceive, you will get pregnant, or within 8 months after the marriage. So 8 months is also not that long. 8 months was also not that far away. So 8 months is a decent time to understand each other, to understand how the married life works. So yes, 8 is a very decent time. Now let me go for some guidance for you. So right away or 8 months, take as it resonates. For few of you it can be 8 weeks also, if 8 months is pretty long for you. And if you want to delay it, it all depends on you, your energy, you and your person, you and your spouse. If you want to delay the children, trust in higher forces. This is one message for you. So you need to trust in higher forces. We can see the owl spirit over here, so yes, wisdom. And we can see a big manifestation. The big buffalo over here is telling about big manifestation. So you're manifesting this life, you're manifesting this person for sure, because we are doing the future spouse manifestation series, and you're also manifesting this pregnancy. This does give me a feeling that it might also be twins, because this is a big manifestation. So a big manifestation happening over here. I can see these two on the buttons, on this button jewelry. So yes, this is something which you are manifesting. This might also be twins which is happening. You're conceiving twins maybe. So let go the need to be right. So someone who argues, someone who wastes a lot of energy and time on proving their point, on arguing, you need to be the peacekeeper. You need to understand that you are meant to do something better, not argue with people, not try to prove your point, but to look at the bigger picture, look at your dream life, work on that, manifest that, use your energy wisely, use your time wisely, be the wise spirit, trust the higher forces, trust your own self, your own guidance, your inner guidance, trust that. Let's see what more information comes for you. And let go the need to be right is your direct message. So don't waste your time and energy on arguments or on proving your point. One more card. Okay, we got two more. Let's see that, no problem. So we have Kalima facing fear. Major spiritual changes are unfolding. Yes, when you let go the need to be right, and when you go become someone who's a peacekeeper, are interested more in peace than to prove your point, then that is, you understand that you're becoming spiritually awakened. So Kalima is here to help you. If you're scared, if you're tensed, if you're fear, if you have any kind of fear, Kalima will help you release that. Major spiritual changes are unfolding. This is your chance to soar. Look at the eagle over here, soaring, going high, higher forces. Kalima, the higher force, the energy, the universe, the divine, the Shakti. So yes, Kalima, the higher forces are here to help you, are here to bless you. And we have Gautam Buddha, Lord Buddha also over here. So Master Buddha over here is telling you to about increased awareness. So yes, when you become the peacekeeper, when you trust in higher force, when you go within, when you stop getting scared, when you stop getting anxious, you become more aware. So there is increased awareness also which is happening for you. This is also how you will be able to manifest your dream life. So deep connection are increasing. This is all about meditation. Trust your inner voice, trust your inner guidance, trust the higher forces, trust your inner voice. Understand that the higher forces and your inner voice and your soul, they are all connected. Do understand that. That is how spirituality work. This is all energy, and Kalima is energy. So energy is something which is divine, which is helping you, which is connecting you, which is bringing this blessing in your help, which is bringing these big manifestations, these huge manifestation in your life. We can see your spirits also, your ancestral spirits also helping you. We can see the crows over here, we can see the eagle over here. So your ancestral spirits are also guiding over you. Odin is also talking about meditation over here, psychic insight. Your third eye is open. See truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. So follow your inner guidance, your inner GPS. For that you need to meditate. For that you need to be the peacekeeper and not waste your energies on arguments. Odin is here to help you. Kali Ma is here to help you, Gautam Buddha is here to help you, the shaman is here to help you. So you have a lot of spiritual backing, a lot of blessings. Number three is important for you. You have chosen the 3 number. So blessings, so count your blessing. This is also a way to connect with divine, by counting your blessing, by saying thank you. Count your blessings, and the good in your life will multiply. Yes, a lot of multiplication is happening. You might have twins, because that message came twice. A lot of multiplication is happening, a lot of blessings are multiplying, big abundance, big blessings are coming in your life. You need to start saying thank you for it from right now. Make a gratitude list, start saying thank you in advance. Believe in the universe. Intuition, this message repeated. So follow your intuition, and intuition, listen to your inner wisdom. These messages are the same. Inner wisdom, increased awareness, psychic insight. Listen to your inner wisdom. So yes, the universe, the angels, we can see a bird over here again. The angels, the unicorn, the spirit guides, the ancestor spirits, the divine is blessing you, is guiding you. Your intuitions are becoming sharper, are becoming something where you are being able to connect with higher forces. Count your blessings, keep a gratitude list. Service, this message repeats for pile number 3. So whoever is being called to give your service, please do that. Service with an open heart is key to satisfaction. So service is your key to find happiness, to connect with the divine, to connect with the universe. So these numbers might be important. Number 2, number 8, number 3, number 1, number 5. These number might be important for you. These are your messages. I'm keeping the tarot timeline video short because the other videos are really long. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed the series. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you want only to know when you will conceive, you're already married, then there is a when will I conceive video on my channel. I will give a link for it in the description box. Thank you again for being here. I'll see you in my next one.